Hey, folks, welcome to Verified Investing here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020. In this video, folks, I'm going to give you a long trade and a short trade, two stocks, one I like on the long side for big upside, one I like on the downside for a major pullback. Before I get into that, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway, and also come to InTheMoneyStocks.com and look for my name at the top of the website. You'll see a drop down underneath. It has my two services, Verified Investing Alerts and Verified Option Alerts. Just to put it in perspective, in Verified Investing today, two more winners booked with members, 181 total winners this year, or I should say total trades this year, for a net gain of 1,560 plus percent. 1,560 plus percent. All right, having said that, let's get right into it. You can see NIO today is up sizably, another 6% move. This is my short trade. You might think I'm crazy, but I have a method to the madness. That's why I've been around doing this with members since 2007. In addition, I was trading as much as 17 years prior. So I've been trading for a long, long time, folks. And again, I'm here to basically give you all the insights and my knowledge to help you make money. All right, why is NIO a short? All right, so number one, you have to look at the move. So it's all about finding patterns in charts, right? That's what charting is. Charting is finding things that happen over and over again. All right, there's a method to the madness. So what I noticed here on the chart is when you look at this move here, so this move to this high, that's $10. This low to this high, approximately $10. This low to this high, approximately $10. Every move up is about approximately, give or take, within a dollar range of a $10 move to the upside. $10, $10, $10, $10. Well, if you take this low pivot, which was right here at around $26 to $25. In fact, the low there is in the 25 range. Look at what we just hit today, $35.50, and that's what makes me think that we're very close to a pullback. And what you can see is that every time you get about $10 higher on NIO, you're getting actually a very significant pullback. I mean, in this case, you pulled back from $15 down to $10. That's a 33% drop. Here you did almost the same in terms of a 33% drop. Same thing here, a little smaller here, but my point is that this now is a range where smart money is starting to see the pattern development here and going to read this and go on the short side. That's what I did today. I picked up a small position short on NIO, and again, I do like it substantially for a pullback here. I do think that this chart is setting up to be that beautiful, beautiful short trade. All right, so again, NIO short, $35.50. I like it here. We'll see again if the pullback comes in the short term here, how it plays out. But again, I do like NIO on a short trade here, down probably to about a target of, I would say this pivot high would be a retrace, a smart retrace, which is in the 29. So you'd look for about a $5 to $6 pullback on that, and it should happen. On the long side, guys, this is the one I like here, folks. The long side, I like Macy's. Now, you might think I'm crazy liking Macy's, but the reason I like Macy's is multiple fold. So first off, you have this trend line here. All right, so if you take this line here, okay, you broke above it here, you retrace, but look, we're back above it. We're hitting to the 50 MA. The thought process here is pretty simple. You have a wedge pattern. Here's your wedge, and you're moving above. Now, you got above here, and it was just the market sold off, so it took the stock down. But if the market doesn't have a big sell-off, this stock is going to go higher. Short-term resistance is at 790, which is the 200 moving average. I think it goes way beyond that. I think you have upside potentially to this double top above $10. Now, this target is for early 2021. The reason why I think it's going to be then is because once you get a vaccine out, folks, once you get a vaccine into the market, into the public, you're going to be looking at a decimated retail sector. Any company that survives this period, meaning that by mid-next year, once we have a vaccine out there to everyone, anyone who survives is going to be stronger for it because there's going to be less competition. All right, think about JCPenney's going bankrupt. I mean, all these companies. I mean, I just heard Friendly's, one of my favorite childhood restaurants, filed for bankruptcy. All right, whatever stocks or whatever companies are left over, you're going to likely see some significant more market share for those stocks. And for that thought process, that's the thought process that makes me like Macy's down here. I think they will survive into 2021, and if they can survive through that period into that vaccine period, and people are going to be loving. I mean, I'm itching to go out to the mall. I'm itching to go out to places right now. So I'm okay being, sedentary, staying in the house and, not going out that much right now. But once I have the vaccine in me and once I'm good to go, I am ready to rock and roll. I'm going to be booking vacations left and right, which is probably a good reason that once we get through this period into 2021, the airline stocks are going to be hot again. I mean, everyone's going to look to book these things, and I think that's the key. So bottom line is short NEO, long on Macy's. Those are the two trades here as swing trades going for the next 4 to 12 weeks, I would say, and I like the performance options for both of those in their respective directions. Have a great one, folks. Come find me at inthemoneystocks.com. Remember, my name's at the top of the website. The drop-down's below. Join my services. You're going to get my exact entry, my exact exits on all my trades, daily analysis videos, live broadcasts every single week. It is awesome. And by the way, the video I do, about 20 minutes long every night, dissecting the charts, learning, teaching, everything I can do to help you become a better investor and trader. Have a great one, guys. Take care.